up guys, we're back, and in today's video we're gonna install some ambient lighting for the Footwell LED strips. These are gonna be amazing, and we're gonna see how to install them and how to use the app and how to change the colors for the lights. Okay, coming up next, let's do it. Okay, we got it. Let me show you. So here are the two strips. One is here. Make sure it's not interfering with the airbag. And here I got the other one. And also the cables are tucked under the plastic. Make sure they are not on the way of the pedal of your brake and this pedal. Okay. So now let me do the other side, but it's gonna be the same process. Okay, I added a little bit extra double-sided tape because this tape is not strong enough to hold the strip, so I have 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 1 on the bottom 3. I did it for all of the strips, the same thing. Okay, and the other side is done. Let me show you. See, you can see it. So one strip is here and the other one here is all the way to the back, and the cables are tucked under the plastic, this plastic cover. Make sure it's not blocking the airbag. This is the airbag right here, so it's not blocking that. And the other side of the cables are under here, and the cable comes out here, and here is the remote, and the cigarette lighter connection is here. You can turn it on and off there, and this one has another remote. I left it on this side because I don't want this thing to bother me. I don't want this remote on the other side, so it's easier for me on this side. So now it's time to test it. Let's see how they work. Look at this. These are sequential. Let me see if you can see it right here. Look at that. These are amazing. But I don't know if this one I have to flip it the other way, or if it is fine like that. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it like that. Let's see the other side. Wow. Look at this. Looks amazing. Okay, we have the remote right here. The A, I think, is to turn it on and off. Let's see. Yes. Turn it on and off. The A, to change the color. Oh, wow. Green, blue, purple, or dark blue. It's nice. Oh, it's the brightness. Oh. Let's put it the brightest we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. It has 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woof. The music. That's for the music. You can put the music. Oh. And okay. And this one you can change that. I like the mode. I like the modes. Yeah, I like those. You see? I don't know if you can see it. That's amazing. Let me put another mode. Whoa. Whoa, it looks amazing. Look at that. It's like a disco. That's amazing. The sequential looks more amazing because it changes colors in one side like this, Look at that. That's amazing. Okay, we got the app. The app is called Happy Lighting. Open it and let's see if this one is gonna connect. My device. Let me see. Let's see if it's connected. Let's see. Let's see, put it red. Oh yeah, it's connected. Green. Whoo, man. Blue. What? Yellow. Like pink. It looks more like a purple. Blue. Nice. Let's see the styles. Oh man, look at that. Whoa. And it's very bright because still we have light here and it's very bright. Look at it. Okay guys, those are the Footwell LED strips for the Footwell, for the interior of the car. They look amazing. They are pretty bright. They have a lot of styles to change the color, like sequential styles. They are amazing, okay? The link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below if you wanna get them, okay? But let me know what you guys think on the comments, okay? I wanna know your opinion, okay? If you like the video, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Support the channel, please. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.